You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more confusing names of famous places in France and around the Côte d'Azur in particular, make sure to stay tuned. French pronunciation: La Ciotat. It's on the Mediterranean coast, not far from Marseille, Cassis. La Ciotat. La Ciotat. Silent T, you've noticed. If you're going to pronounce French perfectly, you can say La Ciotat. La Ciotat from French, La Ciotat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.